Did you know that the strength of your fingernails can be influenced by what you eat? Foods rich in biotin, like eggs and nuts, can actually help make your nails thicker and stronger. My fingernails have always been a point of pride for me. They're strong, thick, and don't break easily. Having healthy nails is not just about looks, it's also a sign of overall health. Fingernails are made of a protein called keratin, and their strength and thickness can be influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, diet, and exposure to chemicals. When it comes to my own fingernails, I think genetics play a big role. My mom has strong nails, and I've always been pretty active, which might also contribute to their strength. But I also make sure to eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, like biotin and vitamin E, which are great for nail health. In addition to diet and nail care, I think it's also important to avoid biting or picking at your nails, as this can weaken them over time. I've seen some of my friends struggle with nail biting, and it's definitely something that can be hard to break. The combination of a healthy diet, good nail care habits, and avoiding bad habits has really helped me maintain strong and thick fingernails. I think it's also worth noting that nail health can be an indicator of overall health, so taking care of your nails is important for more than just looks. According to a dermatologist who specializes in nail health, a diet rich in vitamins and minerals, along with good nail care habits, is key to maintaining strong and healthy nails. In summary, my strong and thick fingernails are thanks to a combination of genetics, a balanced diet, and good nail care habits. I think it's really important to take care of your nails, not just for how they look, but for your overall health. If you have any tips for keeping your nails strong and healthy, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other videos on beauty and health for more tips and tricks.